So now, on the other side of your poster board, what you need to do is, as we said earlier, go ahead and type out a little description of what the periodic table of elements are. And this is when you can't present it to somebody because there will be a lot of people around. You can go ahead and just write in, so what's an element, what's matter, and you go ahead and you just tape it to the back. You also make sure that you give credit where credit's due, as we said earlier, and mention the guy who's the father of the periodic table, guy up here. And you go ahead and you find a nice spot for it. Might want to do a little bit of decorating too, and you can get these at your local store, local educational store. You might want to add this down here. Kind of looks a little nice. So now you can see your presentation board is really picking up.